what's it today? We're doing a mystery box challenge.
Alright, so you see the box right here, guys?
Yeah.
We got some rules right here, so I'm gonna explain the rules after we go get some stuff, okay? We'll be right back. Let's go get it. Okay, guys, we're back. So Valor's closing his eyes. This is what I brought to put in the box. Okay. Oh, that'll be good. So I'm just gonna slide that in.
I want to go
Okay.
be the box.
He's gonna put his hands in. So, alright, you can turn around. Now, the rules are, I put an object in this box. You're gonna put your hands in without looking inside.
Okay.
And you're gonna feel it and guess what it is, okay? Ready? Go. So don't look inside, just feel it around and you only get one guess, okay?
There's nothing in here.
Oh, it's in the very middle.
I think it's putty.
Okay, don't take it out. Alright, you wanna lift the box up and see if you got it right?
Yeah.
Yay! Is that fun?
Yeah.
It's sticky putty.
Yeah, come on.
Alright.
Come on, just push it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's stretchy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go grab some another supplies and we'll be right back.
Here.
Okay, guys, we grabbed a big basket and put all these objects in it. We're gonna put an object in here and yeah, we'll see.
I didn't know if
Place this in here, guys. Like this. And the box over it. Alright. Alright, go ahead and feel it. Remember, don't take it out when you guess. What do you think it is?
Oh. Give me a second. Zero. Got it.
Okay. Is that your guess?
Yeah.
Okay. You can take your hands out now. With no object in them. Alright, go ahead and lift the box up and let's see what it was.
Shoe.
Oh, you got two of them right. Good job. Alright, we're gonna take the shoe.
I didn't know that was a shoe.
Yeah, alright, turn around. Grab an object, guys. So, we're gonna have this guy in now. So let's scooch the box. I'm doing it with one hand because I gotta hold my iPad while I put a box on top. Alright, this one's gonna be pretty cool. Alright.
That feels like something fluffy. It feels like a Furby.
Alright, lift it up. Let's see. Furby! Again! It's a little Furby. Should we turn him on?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Oh, is he out of batteries?
Oh,
He's out of batteries. Alright.
he won't turn on.
Russell. Alright.
I know.
Alright, guys, this is what I'm gonna put. Ooh, that's cool. Alright. Put that under there. There we go. Let's see what he thinks it is.
Sticky thing. It's a sticky thing that sticks to the window.
Really? What is it called though? You have to see the actual name of it. Then you get it right.
It's sticky.
A sticky?
Yeah.
Let's see if you got the name right. It is something sticky, but was that the name of it? Oh, don't look in the box, okay? Was that the name of it though?
No. What is it?
I think it's a tentacle sticker.
Yeah, it is.
Alright,
Soggy.
that's cool, dude.
Yeah, we'll get
You want to
washed.
stick it on the glass?
Yeah. Whoa.
Take it off. Well, alright, let me see that. Don't look in here though, okay? No, don't look in there. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna open this up. Let's get this open. Okay. Ooh, that's cool. Put that in there. Okay. We're gonna put this under here. There we go. Feels good. Alright.
Music. I think it's Play-Doh.
Okay. Go ahead and take it off.
Play-Doh!
Ooh, smush it in front of them so they can see it?
Yeah.
Does it smell like anything?
It smells like nothing.
Really?
Yeah, it
Okay,
almost
so-
smells like Play-Doh. Yeah. Smell it.
Ooh, it actually smells a little bit good.
Yeah.
Like banana or pineapple.
Look, it can stretch.
Oh,
And it breaks.
that's cool.
Look, you can, oh no, a piece fell.
Okay, guys, I got the next thing. So, this is our very last thing, guys. I'm gonna put that under there. Alright, turn around.
Okay. I think,
Feel it around, see what it does.
I have to do.
Oh, what was that sound? Oh no, what was that?
I didn't get to pop it.
A pop it? Go ahead and take the box off.
Pop it!
Whoa, guys, look at this. This one's actually mine. It's a keychain poppet. It says cutie. Look at that. It's so fun. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching our video.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.